Good morning, everybody. Today I have a package to share with you. I received this yesterday afternoon, and it's a package from Lavish Laces, so I thought we might open this up together and see what's inside. It's always nice to have a little bit of company when you're opening things up. There we go. Lavish Laces is an online Etsy store run by a lady by the name of Gisela, a very lovely lady, and she sells lots of vintage laces and trims and papers. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, this. Ooh. Okay, let's get rid of this. And oh, I thought that was a piece of cardboard. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, we have some beautiful papers in here. I was just playing with some of the papers from the last kit. And, oh, look at this. We'll get straight into this one. Let's just fold the sticky tape over so we don't catch our papers. And these are, I think, French. There's no, it doesn't tell me what they are, but they're French. Oh my goodness, ephemera and papers. Look at this, because I know she's adding more and more things to her store. Oh, I have nothing like this. Oh my goodness, I have not, I don't own anything like this. Oh, aren't they lovely? So there's that one. And those two. I'll have to put on the screen exactly what they're called. Like they're photos, obviously. But there's names. I don't know if these are cabinet cards. They're very thick. Aren't they beautiful? Oh my goodness, I love old photos. Look at this lady. Oh. And look. Notre Dame. Look at the writing on the back. This is trying to see a date. I think it's 1884. I can't be certain of that though. I can't be certain of that. And this one with the deckled edging on it. And this one doesn't have a date on it. What is it? There you go. I don't want to butcher the name. Oh, look at the sweetie. Look at the little sweetie. And that one is a postcard. And a sailor. Wonderful. And then we have some vintage papers. I'm looking to see if I can see. 1961, I think that is. April 1961. 1938. Oh, look at the writing on the back. Oh, these are beautiful. And another photo. Wasn't that lovely? Someone getting married. My mum got married in a suit. It was just at that time. The wedding dresses were, if there was one in the family, it was shared around. Somebody else was getting married at the same time. Lovely. don't know if it's... Oh, there we go. Oh, it opens up. Observations. Wonderful. Oh, look at that. Advertising. It's like a cardstock type of thing. Oh, this is wonderful. I have very, very little original ephemera of any kind. So, and it's definitely not French, apart from what Gisela has sent me in the last kit. What's that one? 1964. Typewritten. Telephone 22. Oh my. This is beautiful. I was using some of this. 1937. And then of course the larger piece that it was all wrapped in is there. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you so much, Gisela. And all these lovely photos here. Wonderful. What a great idea to put it into this really thick envelope, which will come in useful. Wonderful. Thank you so much. And then, now I will have to check if this is a kit or whether this is just, oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. A sampling from her store. So we'll start with the larger ones first, I think. Of course, I love Gisela's laces. They're so beautiful. Whether you're a journal maker or not, they're lovely. But for journal making, they're perfect because they're so flat. You know, the laces are flat. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's lovely. And then this one. It's a lovely colour, isn't it? It's like a little buttermilk type of colour. Love these. And they come in different sizes, these, so they're really nice to use. Oh, look at this one. This one's sweet. And this large one. I love this colour. It's got that old white colour. It's just like, you see the difference? Like that's quite stark, even though that has a soft white look to it, but this has that, like, it's lovely. Beautiful. And that's got the holes in the centre. You could insert a ribbon through that if you wanted. Okay. And then this one. Look at this. This is lovely. Isn't that nice? It's beautiful. See the flower design on it. It's just lovely. That one there. Oh, look at this. This one's wide, isn't it? Oh, that's beautiful. Really, really lovely. It's got that netting in it as well here. See the netting? Beautiful. I love this pattern in the background too. Oh, oh, that's nice, isn't it? Isn't that nice? That's beautiful. Oh, so delicate. Really, really beautiful. Oh, it always amazes me how many different laces there are. I mean, there's so many. So many. Beautiful. Oh, this one's lovely. Goodness, that's so tiny, little crochet. Ever so delicate. Beautiful. Look at this ribbon. I love this. It's the back. Isn't that just so sweet? So, so pretty. Open this one next and leave that one till last. So we have this beautiful, beautiful ballet pink ribbon. Isn't that beautiful? It's just gorgeous. Love that. It's that peachy pink colour. It's just so lovely. And then look at this. This one's beautiful. It's got... I love that. Isn't that nice? Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, that's lovely. And then these. Lovely. And then the same colour in a wider lace. Beautiful designs, aren't they? Really, really pretty. And then lastly, look at this. Oh, that's really nice, isn't it? That's beautiful, and that's the back of it there. So it's in a little, that ribbon is, you know, it's got a casing. Isn't it nice? I do like that. I think that's velvet. It's quite old, so it's lost a little bit of its, you know, texture, but I feel like I need to get the magnifying glass. I'm pretty sure that is velvet. Quite sure it is. Beautiful. And then look at this. Oh, this is in nylon. Oh wow, look at this. So it's it's encased. So it would, I haven't seen anything like that before. So it's like you've got your lace in the inside of it. I'm not quite sure with how you would have used that, whether you would use it like this or whether you would have stitched it to something and then flipped it through so that it was, well, you couldn't, could you? Maybe you just used it encased like that. Like that. I don't know. I'm not quite sure. I haven't come across anything like that before. But I mean, as a crafter, I can use it however I want. I can cut it open if I want to. I could cut this seam and open it up. Very interesting. Very interesting. I haven't come across anything like that before. And then lastly, we have this gorgeous pink piece here. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that just lovely? So pretty. Oh my goodness, that's lovely. And it's attached onto a fabric. So once again, you've got the sheer covering over the top, which is what the embroidery, you know, is facing on. But it's double layered onto this fabric. Wow. Very 60s, 50s, 60s, I would think. Probably, or 40s even. I don't know. I'll say 50s just to stay on the safe side. Beautiful, beautiful laces, beautiful paper ephemera pieces. I am thrilled with that. That is wonderful, isn't it? I'm so happy with all of this. Look at all that. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you so much, Gisela. And this is what I'll be working with over the next few weeks. I was actually still working on a project from the last one. So they all intermingle. That's the beauty of these lovely kits and pieces you can get from Lavish Laces. They all go together. So, you know, if you don't use everything out of one thing, you just add it to the next, or just use it however you please in your crafting. Thank you so much, Gisela. This is wonderful. I'm excited to play with this, and I'll probably use some of this in with what I've already started from my last kit. So thank you, everybody, for watching, and take care. I'll put all the links in the description box below to Gisela's store. There's a coupon code down there if you're interested also. So, bye.